Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Now, this is your art and craft class. Today, I am teaching us how to draw a bird. Eraser, sharpener, black sketch, and crayons colors. Now, you have to firstly mention the date. And now, topic. Firstly, you have to draw a 6 number. Now you have to create a standing line. And then you have to make a curve lines. Now make another curve. Now make a triangle. Make a circle on it for the eye. Now this is your bird. Now you have to underline the bird for the help of black sketch. Now color the bird. Now this is your crayons colors. Now you have to color the beak with the help of red color. Color it properly. Now yellow color. Yes guys, so you have to create firstly the borders with the help of color. This is helpful to you like this. Now color the tail of the bird. So this is your bird. I hope you all enjoy this video. Thank you. Like and subscribe my video. Thank you.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.